Introducing Champion Choice Rooftop Units, featuring high efficiency, ultra-high efficiency, and heat pump options. These 12.5 to 27.5 ton rooftop units surpass Department of Energy 2023 efficiency standards by 6 to 45%, depending on the efficiency level, and deliver 10% higher IEER ratings than some competitive ultra-high efficiency units, all while maintaining an economical price point. Choice Rooftop Units also provide design flexibility with multiple options for airflow staging, and high-efficiency Choice Rooftop Units further reduce costs by featuring a design that is 33% lighter than existing Champion models and up to 22% lighter than competing products, allowing them to fit most competitive installed bases without a transition curb. Champion Choice Rooftop Units even include built-in smart equipment controls to help maximize efficiency and operation. Reliability of these units is enhanced with a lead lag compensator on select models to help balance system wear and tear, while independent circuits help mitigate full unit shutdowns. And when maintenance is needed, our industry-leading commercial application support organization offers expert technical and field support. Developed using Designed for Quality principles and manufactured in our state-of-the-art Rooftop Center for Excellence in Norman, Oklahoma, Choice Rooftop Units are engineered with the latest modeling technology to preemptively identify issues. Plus, we support every system with extensive factory-backed warranties. With Choice Rooftop Units, Champion once again delivers on our commitment to leading the industry in rooftop performance, flexibility, and quality. They're the most economical, first-cost option on the market today for 12.5 to 27.5 ton comfort cooling.